We have all been there. You sit down for a test, read the first question, and suddenly your mind is a complete void. You know the material, you studied for hours, but the information is locked behind a door you can't open. This is not a lack of intelligence. It is a biological reaction often called brain freeze or choking. The primary cause of this mental block is stress. When you perceive a test as a high-stakes threat, your body triggers the fight or flight response. This releases a flood of hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. While these are great for running away from a predator, they are terrible for academic performance. These chemicals interfere with the prefrontal cortex, which is the part of your brain responsible for complex thinking and decision-making. Another major factor is the limitation of your working memory. Working memory is like a mental scratch pad where you hold information while solving a problem. Anxiety takes up a massive amount of space on that scratch pad. Instead of using your mental energy to recall formulas or dates, your brain is busy processing worried thoughts like, "What if I fail?" or "I don't have enough time." Essentially, your brain becomes too crowded to function. To break this cycle, you need to trick your nervous system into calming down. The fastest way to do this is through controlled breathing. Deep, slow breaths signal to your brain that you are not in physical danger, which helps lower your cortisol levels. Another effective technique is the brain dump. As soon as the test starts, write down every formula, keyword, or date you are worried about forgetting on a piece of scratch paper. This clears your working memory and reduces the fear of losing the information. If you hit a wall during the exam, move on immediately. Spending 5 minutes staring at a question you can't answer only increases your panic. Answering easier questions first builds confidence and can often trigger the associative memory needed to unlock the harder answers later. Understanding that a brain freeze is just a temporary chemical glitch can help you stay calm, breathe through the pressure, and get back to work.